Life is hard. Let's keep dinner simple. All you need for this dish is cabbage and pork belly. One roll is about 1 slice of pork to 1 big leaf. Wrap the layered cabbage up with pork. Place them seam side down to keep them in shape. Add cheese randomly for a lucky bite. Chop the leftovers into tiny bits to make veggie rice. Cook it all with the rice. A one-pot meal ready in one go. Cabbage releases its own juice. So easy on the water. Rice cooked, meal ready. Bon appetit!